Sohal Welding Works. A complete solutions for scaffolding. H-frame spigot diameter reducing machine. Its high precision, stability and high durability machine. Safe CE certified electric controller. Sensor arrangement for the adjustment of the diameter reducing length. Hydraulic system for driving with large pressure. Various thickness of pipe can be used in this machine. Diameter of the pipe is 48.3 mm. Easy operation and maintenance. Hydraulic system is used for the job clamping and diameter reducing of the pipe. Interchangeable dies for the various sizes and shapes of the pipe. Uniform results with high accuracy. Diameter of pipe reduced to 41 mm with accuracy of ± 0.2 mm. Reducing length and diameter can be adjustable. Simple and easy to use machine, requires one-time setting only. Diameter reducing length variable from the sensors. This machine provides high production and efficiency. Sohal Welding Works manufacturer and exporter of automatic scaffolding machine.